Oh, this should prove interesting. Wow. Alright, let's give this a whirl. Boy, that was a lucky shot. That's a better one. Alright, based on what you just saw me do there, I wanted to show you something really quick. And I'll just use the video clip of what I was just doing to prove the point. Based on what you just saw me doing there, when the gun ran empty, did I chicken neck up to get a magazine out of wherever these magazines come from? No. What I did was I very slightly rolled my body. I may not have even done that because I make sure that my magazine carrier, which normally has my spare mags on my side, is where I can get it. But also with a chest rig, when I do this with a chest rig, basically you are lowering your head and you're turning your head from a prone position, and it's pulling the magazine like this. What I often see in the training environment is, because classes are so large, this doesn't get covered, and either that or just the curriculum doesn't allow for the opportunity for that thing to get covered. So what ends up happening is guys end up chicken necking or goose necking their head up to get something off their body. And what they've done is they've taken their profile from here to get something, and they've just made themselves that much easier to see and that much easier to hit. This is a very short training tip video because this is a very simple subject. This is an easily understandable thing. When bullets are coming in your direction, and or you're in a position of, let's say that this is actually a block wall or a vehicle, and the enemy isn't quite sure where you are. This is 275 yards. That guy may or may not be able to fully know where I am. He knows that the gunfire came from this general direction, but this area here that we're on is probably a good 60 to 70 yards in width. Good luck figuring out where I am. So if I have done my due diligence and taken a position proned out to see him and hit him, and I know someone's going to make the argument, well, you should have topped off your rifle. Oh, okay, this is just a training thing. And I have to make a mag swap. The point of this is keeping your head as low as possible, keeping your body profile as low as possible, so that when you make that transition, you're not making yourself bigger by raising yourself up onto your elbows to access something that's on your person, when you can make the effort from the get-go to set yourself up for success by making sure that you always have an emergency load on your side where you can get to it rapidly. That's it. No great big pearls of wisdom for today. Just wanted to give you guys that little bit of information, because what ends up happening is every time that I teach a class out here, we'll cover some of this stuff and I'll be like, gotta do a video on that. Why? Because there are 10 million new gun owners that have entered the industry. Thank you for being here, guys, because I really appreciate you making the effort to learn. So I get these little tidbits of information and I work them up and I serve them to you guys, and you're welcome to digest them and make them your own, or you're welcome to just poop them out and ignore them. As always, I thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one.